Hello there. Today, using only this screwdriver and that screwdriver, I'll show you how to replace the indicator wand and the wiper wand on a Nissan Micra K11. Let's make this quick though, because it's wet, it's cold and it's windy. Hang on, I'll show you with the other camera. There we go. A beautiful English weather, just as we expect it to be. Welcome to CarSpyTV. Right. Step 1 is to find this lever on the left of the steering wheel, then move it all the way down. Just like that. We can now move the steering wheel to its lowest position, thusly, and that gives us more space to remove this top piece of cowling. To remove the cowling, we need a Phillips screwdriver with a reasonably narrow shaft. And we use that to undo 2 screws. There's one all the way up there, okay? And its counterpart is on the opposite side up there. So let's get those screws out. How's the weather where you are? Is it sunny and warm? Out you come, screw. You can't stay in there forever. Hang on, we'll give it a quick tap. There we are. 1 screw. And there's number 2. Now the screws are out the way, we can remove this top piece of cowling. So simply grab it and pull it upwards. Just like that. And now, with a little bit of persuasion, actually that was very easy, it just comes out of place. Now, whether you want to replace the indicator wand here on the left or the wiper wand over there on the right, it's the same simple procedure. For this video, we'll replace the indicator wand on the left, which is held in place by 2 screws. There's one here at the top and one there at the bottom. These screws are also Phillips, but they've got a slightly different head, so we need that other screwdriver. Hang on, it's round here somewhere. There we are, those 2 screws are out as well, which means we can now lift the indicator wand out of position, like so, and this gives us access to the electrical connector here on the back, which needs to be removed. To do that, simply press in this tab at the side where my thumb is, and hold, and now pull, and persuade and encourage, and if necessary, use whatever bad language is necessary until it comes apart. As for getting a replacement wand, well, I've seen them on eBay, second-hand, and prices start at around £20. Fitting the replacement wand is more or less the reverse of what I've already shown you. So, plug in the power cable, something like that, and before going any further, it's a good idea to check the wand actually works. So let's have a go at that. Yes, that is working fine in both directions. And now, of course, we put the wand back in position. Get it around the right way, that always helps. Now replace the screws. Replace the cowling. And replace these screws for the cowling. I've already done one of these off camera because I didn't think you could stand the excitement of watching me do both. Finally, of course, move the steering wheel back to your favoured position. Let's say there, and move the lever upwards to lock it in place. And that's how to replace the indicator and wiper wand in a Nissan Micra K11 when it's wet and cold and windy. I'd love to go indoors now, but I can't because the Nissan Micra, which we can see out there, needs a bit of TLC. And while I do that, don't forget to subscribe to CarSpyTV. That makes it easier to find my other content. Can you also please do me a favor and click like on this video? And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.